to cultivate various interests and explore different knowledge through participating in a wide range of activities, such as language weeks, study tours, organic gardening.
Oh, I know! An organic garden was set at the roof 2 years ago which grows certified organic products with rigorous technique and sincere attitude to actualize the concept of community support to agriculture. A variety of organic vegetables like eggplants, carrots, and corns have been planted. The veggies are cooked by our parent gardeners and shared among our students and staff. I've tried them during lunch, and they are very delicious and fresh.
You're right! Our student gardeners have participated to experience how organic farming is like. Our student gardeners 6A Amos Lowell and 6A Arthur Chu are going to share with us their fantastic learning experience. Let's welcome them.
Hello everyone, I am Amos and he is Arthur from 6A. We are the P6 Organic Farmers. We are happy to share with you about our corn project done on the school rooftop today.
And more importantly, in an organic way.
So, what is organic farming?
Organic farming is to produce crops in an environmentally friendly and sustainable manner. No chemical pesticides or fertilizers or genetically engineered material were used. We work in harmony with nature and preserve biological diversity.
Why should we do organic farming then?
To produce healthy and nutritious food that is free of harmful chemical residues. Conserve natural resources by recycling plant residues and animal manures. And nurture the land for future generations. It is meaningful to work as an organic farmer in a school.
So, what is our job as organic farmers in the organic garden?
We grow corn from its seeds.
We germinated them.
Then, we let them adapt to the living environment.
Next, we transplanted them into the organic garden and let them get more sunlight and nutrition.
In our daily work, we have to do weeding, which is pruning off the weed to prevent the weeds from stealing the corn's nutrients.
And watering.
Sometimes we do fertilizing to give enough nutrients to the soil.
Pruning to ensure the nutrition doesn't go to the broken leaves in order to maintain the corn's nutrition.
Then they grew taller and taller. We measure their height from time to time.
One day, we found that their flowers will develop. We know that the fruit will develop soon when the stamen and pistils grow. They were the male flowers, the stamen. They produce pollen to mate with the female ones.
We had to wait for the female flowers, the pistil. We helped spreading the pollen on them to get sweet corn.
We had to take good care of the plant until the ovary developed into fruits.
The corns grew up larger and larger each day.
We also had to kill the disgusting black little bugs on the corn to ensure its growth.
Lastly, they could be harvested.
Let's look at our corn screen again from the beginning.
I feel so amazed. Little seeds can grow into plants. The planting experience is really memorable and amusing.
But something happened that made me feel sorry. There was a typhoon hitting our organic garden. Many of the plants were destroyed and they fell down.
We have to say thank you to Mr. Young and our parent helpers. They helped us to put our corn in between those taller corns planted by our parent helpers. Ours were protected by theirs, but many of the corns couldn't survive. Their stems broke and fell down and lastly died.
Another unlucky thing happened. There was a disease invaded our organic garden. 3 of our 4 plants died because of the disease, but there is still a healthy one left.
Yes, luckily it survived and we harvested a big corn at the end. From this, I learned that even the corn thrived through the typhoons, bugs, and disease. We should also be persistent and strong-willed to overcome any difficulties. A challenge is actually a chance for you to improve yourself.
Yes, lives are very weak. We try our very best to save our plant, but at the end, it still died. It makes me treasure my life.
Not only our lives, but also those of the animals and plants, the lives of the whole biological world. Life is very weak, but also very strong. The only ones strive through tough conditions and finally produce more corns than usual.
How do you feel about this experience?
I feel very lucky that I'm a chosen one. I'm also happy that I successfully grew a corn from a seed to this tall plant. The planting experience is still vivid in my mind.
I feel amazed that one little corn seed can grow into such a large plant. I also treasure this experience because this may be my only chance to try organic farming. Before the end of our sharing, please enjoy a video about our farming experience on our organic garden.